Thandeka, now you are taking us to the lawyers. Imagine. So we should not talk about you. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Big Brother Mzansi runner-up Thandeka Chavala has finally broken her silence, and this time she's letting her lawyers do the talking. A legal statement allegedly issued on her behalf is making waves online after detailing what Thandeka claims she has endured since leaving Big Brother house. The statement paints a picture of reality TV star who has gained fame and opportunities, but also become the target of coordinated online attacks. What is going on, if you may ask? According to the statement, Thandeka's legal team says she has experienced cyberbullying, harassment, and defamatory campaigns aimed at damaging her reputation and professional relationship. One of those allegations is the creation of fake Facebook account using her name, which reportedly attracted thousands of followers in a short period of time. I believe that every fan or celebrity has a fan page that are created on using their name. I mean, this is one of the things that I think millions of celebrities are experiencing, and I think Thandeka should just report the page as a pretense and to tell her fans to also do that. The statement also claimed that the WhatsApp group was allegedly used to spread false information about Thandeka to brands and companies, discouraging them from working with her, which is unfortunate. But her fans, actually, they're the one who say that Thandeka does not need brands. I mean, if they're not her fans, it means these people are just like doing things that are evil, but it's her fans that they're saying that brands cannot afford Thandeka. Furthermore, it alleges that the coordinate emails, calls, and online commentary were directed at various brands in effort to damage her image and influence business opportunities. I have never seen online commentary that actually makes her look bad. Even myself, I mean, many people, they say I must stop talking about her, but you know, one thing that I encourage always on this channel is that Thandeka needs to work. Thandeka needs to upload something. Thandeka needs to do because there's so much potential there. And if you don't see it, maybe you have a problem with your eyes. You need to go to the doctor. The statement argues that these actions have gone beyond ordinary social media criticism and have real world consequences for Thandeka's career and well-being. Otherwise, that's the truth. Hey, when you come on social media, people will actually attack you emotionally and mentally. I know, but this is the life of social media. The statement has divided social media users. Some fans believe public figures deserve protection from targeted harassment and supporting Thandeka for speaking out. Others argue that reality TV stars naturally face criticism after appearing on national TV and question some of her claims made in the statement. Regardless of where you stand, the release of legal statement shows that Thandeka is taking matters seriously and wants the public to hear the side of the story. What do you think about this situation? Do you believe Thandeka has been unfairly targeted or simply is part of being a public figure? Because like Bumini Dlamini, Bonang Matheba, they've been through all that. But Bonang will take you to the lawyers. Hey, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification for more Big Brother updates. Goodbye.